What are the Met Museum's current special exhibitions? Imagine walking through a museum where each room tells a different story, from ancient civilizations to modern art. The Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City is offering just that with its latest special exhibitions. These shows are perfect for anyone interested in exploring diverse cultures and artistic styles. One of the highlights is the exhibition called Man Ray, When Objects Dream. It runs from September 14, 2025 to February 1, 2026. This exhibit focuses on Man Ray, an American artist famous for creating photographs called rayographs. These images are made without a camera by placing objects on light-sensitive paper and exposing them to light. The show showcases his experimental work and how he crossed different media to make art. Another exciting exhibition is the Genesis Facade Commission, Jeffrey Gibson, The Animal That Therefore I Am. It runs from September 12, 2025 to June 9, 2026. Jeffrey Gibson is known for mixing different materials and addressing themes of identity and cultural roots. His installation is part of the Met's ongoing effort to feature contemporary art. Besides these, the Met is celebrating the 250th anniversary of the German Romantic painter Caspar David Friedrich with an exhibition called Friedrich, The Soul of Nature. It explores how Friedrich's paintings connect nature with human feelings. There is also a show called Recasting the Past, The Art of Chinese Bronzes, which highlights Chinese bronze sculptures made between 1100 and 1900. This exhibit shows how Chinese artists created detailed and symbolic bronze works over many centuries. For those interested in feminist perspectives, Monstrous Beauty, a feminist revision of chinoiserie, reinterprets European porcelain art through a modern lens. The museum also features ongoing displays like Siena, The Rise of Painting, which covers early Italian Renaissance art from 1300 to 1350, and Flight into Egypt, Black Artists and Ancient Egypt, showing how ancient Egyptian themes have inspired Black artists. These exhibitions are designed to give visitors a wide view of art from different times and places. The Met Fifth Avenue is open Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday from 10 in the morning until 5 in the evening. On Fridays and Saturdays, it stays open until 9 at night. The Met Cloisters, which focuses on medieval art, is open from Thursday through Tuesday, closing on Wednesdays. Planning your visit around these exhibitions can make your trip more memorable. Whether you love historical masterpieces or contemporary art, the Met offers something for everyone. So, if you're in New York City and want to experience the best of art and culture, check out these current special exhibitions at the Met.